Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we are going to see if this car is going to pass a smog check with this Innova 6200P scanner. The reason behind this is because we changed the battery, and when you remove the battery completely, you need to redo the drive cycle again. So my son has been driving this car, so we'll see. Let me put the scanner in there with the OBD2, and then I'm going to check it out, see if it's going to pass. So the OBD2 connection port is right here. Let's see what it says right now. Oh, gonna put the key in the, so I need to put the key in there. Put it on position.
Please insert SD card.
What? P0455. Let's see if I try to clear this out. Evaporative emission system leak detected. So once you clear, you will need to do the dry cycle. Oh my god.
Please insert SD card.
According to the drive cycle, you need to drive on the freeway for about 20 minutes, 50 to 60 miles per hour, and then after that you're gonna let it coast for 90 seconds, and after that you're gonna drive on the city for another 10 more minutes, and then shut down your engine for half an hour. And depends on, sometimes the mileage could be from, I don't know, 7,500 or 200, 300 miles, or even up to 1,000 miles. So, alright. So earlier it has 4 red symbol. Now we only have 3. I'm driving on the freeway. I'm heading to the freeway right now. But right now, we're driving on the freeway. I only have 2 left. I better keep my mile per hour below 60. 50 to 60. So I've been driving probably about 15 minutes. Gonna have 5 more minutes. And now I only have 1 icon left. So I will need to drive 10 minutes on the city or local. So right now I gotta drive around the local, and you gotta let the coast occasionally. Coast, that means you don't need to hit the brake, just let the car slow down. Alright, so according to, you're supposed to have 3/4 of the full tank, or less than quarter tank left. I think mine was a little bit more. That's why, and plus I feel fuel cap is a loose rubber or didn't close right, then you're gonna have a problem. So I might have to pass it for the next cycle, because my gas was kind of full, and then gas cap didn't close right because my son went to gas up and he didn't click on a couple of the turns. So that might cause an issue. So yeah, we're gonna wait until next drive cycle, and hopefully it's gonna turn green to get ready for the smog. Alright, so after driving a couple of the drive cycle, we finally complete everything. So you got this green light, that means it's gonna pass smog, and you have all those green icon. So yeah, everything is good to pass smog. Now we'll go to the smog place to get it done, okay?